Yes, I have started the recording. Please begin the presentation.
Hello, my name is Salma Mohammed, and this is my project 3. As you can see on my navbar, I have show times, registration, the news. So and then on this top part, I have like an information about the event where I was saying like the event will be running the 5th August to 8th August. The lineup for the movies and the respective schedules are as shown below. And then our aim is to get maximum of 1,500 people. Claim your spot today and the tickets will be free of charge. Welcome all with open hands. And then I gave the different days for the events. Like if you click on 5th August, you will see the movies that people will be watching. Like the first one is Prison Break, and then we have Star Wars, The Mask, and all that. Yeah, if you click on 6th August, you'll see the other tree and so on. So if I go down there, I have a registration part where people can register, and they will enter their first name, last name, the email, and then which day you'll be available for the event. Like you can click on 5th August and maybe 6th or maybe the whole, or if you don't want that, you can uncheck it. So and also we have that, and then next is the news section. So I give people like 2019 gallery, like let's say if we had similar event like in the previous, so to show people like we did this before and something like that. And then there's also a part of our news, like I was giving offers that they will be providing. Maybe we will have like free parking, and then maybe there will be free popcorn and so on. So on my footer, I have like the social media links, as you can see. And then we also have the Boston News link, and then Boston Garden Public News.
Okay.
So okay,
Please go ahead.
maybe should I show on smaller screen?
Yes, please.
So yeah, okay. So maybe on Galaxy S5, so you can see like this is how you can access it, and there is that hamburger menu that comes. So if you click the show times, it takes you to show times, and then the registration and the news. Yeah, so as you can see, like it's responsive. Maybe if I change that on maybe the smallest, you can see still it is the same. So
I have few questions around this, so let's go over them quickly.
okay,
For this implementation, have you used CSS and HTML, or did you use um, have you used CSS or HTML?
okay, I have used Bootstrap, and then yeah, obviously I have used CSS, HTML, the basic parts.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
And have you used a Bootstrap theme for this project, or you have created your theme using CSS?
I have created my own, like from the beginning. Yes.
Okay, oh, great. Thanks for letting me know that. Okay.
Okay.
There are some fundamental requirement for this project that
Okay.
user should be able to book his ticket. Um,
Okay.
so you just showed me. So can you just quickly go over that section once more? Yeah.
Okay. The registration part, like how someone can enter it.
Yes.
Okay. Cool. Let's say this is my first name, and then Mohammed, my second name, maybe my email. Let's say that's my email. And then let's say I want to attend the event like for just 2 days. And then will you like to receive our email newsletter? Yes. So I submit. So if you submit, nothing will happen actually. Yeah, nothing will happen. So
Okay,
it's taking some time. Yeah, nothing will happen because it's like a prototype of the whole thing that we were trying to make, right?
okay, fine.
Yeah, it's not like functional.
Okay, fine. That is also as per the requirement. Thank you for
Okay,
sharing this with me. Okay.
okay,
Now, can we quickly go over the project brief document?
okay. So this is my project brief. So I have the summary part where I said Watch It Outside company will be hosting the Watch Outside Boston edition event where they will showcase movies from August 5th to 8th. The time for the event uh, will run from 6 p.m. to 12 a.m. midnight. The event will be able to accommodate capacity of 1,500 people. The company wants a website that will publicize the event and schedules of the movies to be watched. And then I gave the stakeholders Clara Dan, who's the co-founder, and then Salma Mohammed, who is the web developer. And the goals I gave, like the site will be able to show the schedule for the movies to be watched, and then the site should also have the links to Boston News and Boston Public Garden website, and then the site should also have social media links and pre-registration form to ascertain the capacity of people required through registration. And then I also gave the budget and the timeline. I specified like different tasks. Like I started from creating a mock-ups of the site, and then I gave a duration of 1 week, and then the cost is like $500. And then I'll have a meeting with the client so that they review the mockups. That will be done in week 2, and it will cost 1,500. And then the coding site, uh, the week 3 and $1,500. Testing and deploying the site, week 4, $500. Then I give the total 4 weeks, and it will cost $4,000. And then the proposed domain I gave like www.boston.com, and the technical specification I gave the design part where I said the background color has been set to dark so that it creates contrast with the light cards, and the text, which is also light. The navbar and the footer has been set orange to bring contrast with the dark background. And then the technical part, I used HTML for the page structure, and then CSS to customize the appearance of the site, Bootstrap to create responsiveness of the website when viewed on mobile screen. I also used Font Awesome icons for the social media icons like the Twitter, Facebook, and so on. So that's all for my project brief.
Okay, I have one question around technical specification. So
Okay, okay,
you used certain technologies, but
okay.
why did you use these technologies? You could have used some other technology as well. So what is the reasoning or logic behind using HTML, CSS, Bootstrap? You can use React or Angular or something else as well. What was the reasoning
Okay.
behind this?
Like, okay, the project has specified like we should use Bootstrap mainly.
Okay. What
That's why
are
I
the,
use.
what are the advantages you found while using Bootstrap?
Okay, the advantages is like that responsiveness, and also when it comes to the cards, it has helped me a lot. Like you don't have to waste more time. Like you just get the what do you call, on the Bootstrap page, you just get, you grab like different cards and just put it in your project, and it is more easy like to edit than starting from the beginning, like div class card and something like that. Yeah,
Okay. So you meant to say it is quicker to use and it gives you a lot more flexibility to do things, right?
exactly, exactly.
Okay. Thank you for letting me know that. That's all I have from my side.
Okay, thank you so much.